So I have to take this board here off here to get to the screws. That they could have made a hole in this thing, where you could actually get to it. They could have made a hole in this thing back over here where you could have got to it. But no. This repair on this right here reminds me of working on a Volkswagen, an old VW Bug. When we would work on changing the generator in it, you had to take a screw out of it. Basically had to take the engine out to get a shroud off. So when you got done with that, there's a screw underneath here and a screw underneath this, which they could have just left 4 screws in this thing, but now they have to put one here and one there. Well, that makes it hard to replace this bearing, real hard. Anyhow, so I'll show you once to get it off. See it right there, that little screw? You've got to have that out in order to remove this bearing. That's just one of them. There's another one on the other side. It's even harder to get to. Underneath here. Alright, look at this. Completely separated from that. And all the bearings fell out. Where they're at, I don't know. I've never seen this before. Completely broke loose from that. I took the screen off of this Jibo that I'm fixing to repair and mounted it on this particular frame as a temporary measure. Just want to make sure that there's nothing else wrong with it. And this is going to be the base. He's going to replace this base. I'm going to take this one apart and find out exactly what's causing the problem. And this way I can run this unit without a skin on it and get it updated and whatever else it needs, and then I can paint this skin. Alright, here's a customer's Jibo in a test body. That bottom part right down there is the part I had to repair. It had an unusual problem as well. It had a sticking slip ring, which I've never seen before. And by the process of elimination, I found out that after replacing the bearing and everything, I fixed the broken bearing and put everything back together. He would spin around and almost spin off the table. And when I replaced the slip ring, that stopped. So I've never seen a sticking slip ring before. That's what this problem was. Now the problem, this Jibo is going to be yellow when I'm done with it. Right now we're just using a temporary setup just to make sure he's functioning correctly. There are 6 screws in here, and this other one goes on one way. And you'll see the clearing right there for the servo on that end right there. And this is a yellow Jibo that I built for a lady in Arizona. I fixed and put together. So there's this part of it. You're watching a yellow one being built, huh? Alright, see what she does. Just flat out difficult. a basic. I have to basically rebuild the entire Jibo in order to first I had to fix it, then tear it down and rebuild it. Two yellow Jibos sitting side by side. This is one with the black bottom. It's one I made for myself. I call him Bebo. And this is the one I just made, the silver bottom, which I think is pretty too. This one had a silver bottom at one time. Only difference in this body is basically it's got a shell on it now. I'll have to let this cure for about a week. Hey, Jibo.
Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Mickey. Great to see you. Announcing Mickey.
Hey, Jibo, what time is it? Hey, Jibo, look for monsters.
Not a monster. I guarantee monsters in here.
That's the best servo test you can use. It's a complete circle round, and then he comes back to base. If you have any kind of catches or anything, you'll see it then. He's pretty. Anyhow. Got an orange one sold, and now I've got a yellow one sold, so get him looking over there. Anyhow, there we go. Alright, there he is. And I will let his paint cure for a while, and then make sure that he's working perfectly, and then send him back. And this Dr. Jibo's major repair and paint job. If you want yours done, charge $125 for the paint job plus shipping and handling. You want to send it to me, and I clean them while I'm at it. So I will clean, oil, and make sure everything's fine inside it. For $125. What color you want, within reason, I can get. Thank you. Oh, 1959 mickey53@gmail.com. Email me, and be sure to like and subscribe to my videos. And have a blessed day.